Hi guys. So, for the book, I was supposed to pick out a book, but you know what? I decided to pick two books, and I decided to pick weather books. And I picked one titled Storms because we've been having a lot of rain and a lot of storms and lightning and thunderstorms and all that kind of stuff. So I thought, well, maybe we can learn a little bit about it. And I also am going to read one titled It's Raining. So which should we start with? Oh, look at my child back there. Look at, do you see that child? I even brought my umbrella out here because I was like, well, maybe I can read with my umbrella. So this one is titled It's Raining. It's raining. Most water on the earth is in rivers, lakes, and oceans. The sun heats the water on the earth. Water changes to gas when it heats up and it rises into the sky. That's some crazy stuff, boys and girls, and you will learn about that stuff in first or second grade. But that's actually one of the things that we were going to learn about at the end of kindergarten. But if you want to do something this summer, a really cool experiment, if you put some water inside of a bowl or a cup or a jar and then leave it outside and then check on it, believe it or not, it will vanish. And it goes from water that's inside of your bowl and it will go back into the air. It's the coolest thing. It's called evaporation. Gas cools as it rises. It turns into small drops of water, and the drops stick together and they make clouds. Oh. When water drops are too heavy, they fall from a cloud. And rain is water that falls from clouds. That is neat. Rain falls onto the ground, and this is good for grass. Rain helps make grass green. So that means sometimes whenever we complain about the rain and we want to go outside and play, it's actually a good thing because it's helping all the plants grow. Plants need water. They get most of it from rain. Rain fills lakes and rivers, and animals drink this water. That is so sweet. So all the wild animals, not like the wonderful dogs, like look here, I have a doggy right here. Say hi. But if it's a wild animal, they don't have somebody, like I give Bert his water and I give him his food. But if he was living outside like a deer, they don't have anybody to give him bowls of water. Rain fills oceans, and oceans hold most of the Earth's water. Oceans are huge. After it rains, you can see a rainbow. It has 7 colors. I love to look for rainbows. They're so pretty. And then here is the glossary in the back. We have cloud, gas, grass, plant, rain, and rainbow. Alright, so that is the end of that book, and I am going to let Grace inside the house real fast because she wants to go in. Right. Okay, so now I have one more book. So I'm going to close my umbrella because it has stopped pretend raining. So now we're going to read about storms. I love storms, guys. I know a lot of people, it makes them nervous or scared, but I really like the sound of thunder. They could be very, very dangerous, though. You would never go outside when it's storming. Dark clouds are in the sky. A storm is coming. There are many kinds of storms. Rainstorms bring rain. That makes sense. Other storms bring snow. A snowstorm brings snow. A blizzard is a strong snowstorm. It brings snow and strong winds. We don't really get blizzards down here. Some storms have lightning and thunder. These are, what do you think it's called? Thunderstorms. It is not safe to be outside in a thunderstorm. Sometimes it is very windy with no rain or snow. This is a windstorm. Some storms pick up dirt and sand. These are sandstorms. That's something we definitely never have around here, sandstorms. That would be like in a desert, and those would be very dangerous too because you wouldn't be able to breathe, you wouldn't be able to see. The sand would get in your eyes and in your mouth and your nose and your hair. It would be terrible. This storm, does anybody know what that is? We're getting ready to see those a lot this summertime. This storm is called a hurricane. It forms over the ocean. Storms are very strong. This tree fell over in a strong storm. Broke that fence. And that's the end of that book. So we have clouds, hurricane, lightning, rain, sandstorm, and snowstorm. A lot of different kinds of storms. So I'm glad that we got to read some books about storms, and I wonder if you guys like the rain or if you like storms. So maybe you can draw a picture about storms, and you could draw a picture on if you are scared of them or if you really like them. I think it's really cool. I kind of like it when the power goes out and nobody's watching TV and nobody's playing on their phone and nobody's on the computer, and you just have to do this thing called talking to your family. It's pretty cool. I like that. I hope that you guys have a wonderful weekend, and hopefully it won't rain too much so that you guys can go outside and play. Alrighty, I'll see you guys later. Bye.